answer everybody's questions at home that I get sent more than anything is how much does a renovation cost? Guys, welcome to another video from me, and today we have collected the keys for our brand new property in Wales. I'm going to take you inside and show you a complete breakdown of the renovation costs that we have received from our builder. So come inside and take a look. So here we are, guys, inside our new property. It's a 3-bedroom, it's a mid-terrace, it's in Wales, and it was sourced by Tom Day, who is our head of real estate acquisitions here at the Property Circle. And just looking around, it's my first time I saw this house as well, guys. I'm over the moon with it. It was sourced about 2 months ago. We bought it cash. I've had a little tour before I've done this video as well. I'm really impressed with the house. The size of it is awesome, and I'm looking around again and I can't stop smiling, if I'm completely honest with you guys. So let's get into a breakdown of the renovations. So in this room, I'm going to do it room by room actually, and the ones that we can give a price on for the rooms we will, but at the end of the video I will break down all of the carpentry and the plastering and the painting and stuff like that for you guys at home. So to start, all of this needs to be removed. Everything behind me, as you can see, needs to come out. All of this fireplace, it needs removing. The wallpaper has to be removed. All of the coving is going to be removed. The ceilings have to be replastered. Central heating, guys, I've gone round, I've had a look at the central heating. All of that needs replacing as well. Central heating, so all of the rooms in the house and a new boiler is going to cost around £3,500. Now, a builder came here yesterday and gave us a quote. He came in on his own, he sent me a quote over. So the numbers that I'm giving you are from the builder that has quoted us. But after I looked at them on the way up here, I ran through them. They are literally there and thereabouts to what we already pay anyway. So yeah, so we're going to replace all of the central heating in the house at a cost of around £3,500. All of this here will be knocked out and it will just be made as you walk through the door. It's just all open plan. So this will all be removed. The floor is a little bit uneven. Obviously you can't see that at home, but as I'm walking, I can feel how uneven it is between each room. Especially here, there's a huge dip. So that needs to be taken care of and had a look at. All of this here needs replacing. All of the stairs, you can see all of this needs taken out. There's needs new spindles. A new banister definitely needs to be put there as well. So yeah, that's the living room. Oh, sorry, and the electrics as well. We are going to do a full rewire, and the quote for the full rewire was £3,000. So that's something that needs to be taken care of and had a look at. And then if we come through to the kitchen, all the doors in the house are going to be replaced, every one. All of the architraves are going to be replaced in the house. All of the skirting is going to be replaced in the house. And now we're into the kitchen. Again, this kitchen is huge. I am so impressed with this property. We're ripping the whole thing out. All of it is coming out, everything. You can see how old it is. You can see the electrics are all on top of the wood that's there. You can see there's a bit of an issue here with the ceiling. It's not damp or anything, it just needs fixing really. All of these will be taken out, all of this will be replaced. This window will be boxed in, and we're not having it open plan, so it will be a kitchen and a diner, and then the living room will be separate, and that living room is huge as you just saw. Cost of the kitchen was £4,000 to replace. Now we bought this house as a flip, and the reason that we're spending £4,000 on the kitchen is because we need it to be high-end. We need it to be finished to a really, really nice standard. If we can get the renovations at the price that I'm going to tell you at the end, there's a lot of money in this flip. Do you want to take a look at this view as well? Show them what the view is like out there. I'm not sure you'll be able to pick it up, but the view is absolutely amazing. I'm going to take a look at the garden now. Now, the builder who has quoted us hasn't actually quoted us for the garden. He has recommended a friend. I spoke to his friend on the phone this morning. When I got here just before this video, I sent some WhatsApp pictures over to him, a few videos and stuff like that. And he's just come back to me and said between £500 and £1,500. So I'm averaging it at £1,000. Come and take a look. Here we are in the garden. It's a little bit overgrown. There's not a lot to do. It's more just getting rid of all the rubbish and all the trees, and maybe leveling a few things out, repainting this, taking a layer off and stuff like that. I'm not sure what we're going to do with this. The drains definitely need attention, but it's pretty impressive. I mean, the view is absolutely amazing. Do your thing and show them at home what it looks like, please. So guys, welcome to the upstairs. First room is the bathroom. I don't know whether you guys can see at home at the actual size of this room. It's huge. We could get a 4-piece bathroom in here, but we're not going to. We're going to stick with a 3. There's already an existing corner bath. There's the toilet, there's the sink. Boiler is in the corner. We are thinking about moving the boiler into the loft. We're not sure yet because the extra charge that is put on the quote. We're going to make a decision today. Flooring's going to be replaced. All new pieces in here. Spotlights are going to be fitted. It's going to be tiled all the way around. Remember guys, we bought this house as a flip, not a buy, refurbish, refinance, not a buy to let. So we are going to do it to a good standard, well, a great standard actually, to get the resale in and make as much profit as possible. Right, so this is the first bedroom and we're not sure which one of these two is the master bedroom because they're both exactly the same size. So in here, we're going to remove all of this, creating more of an open space. Flooring's going to be changed, skirting boards are going to be changed, new lights, again, spotlights all the way throughout, ceiling will be plastered. I think from the quote that he sent me, the builder is going to plaster every room in this house. Not back to brick, but just give it a fresh skim all the way over. New central heating, like we said. Windows are in great condition, so we do not need to replace the windows, we'll just have them cleaned up. All the carpentry, like I said, will be done, new doors. This is the first room, guys. Right, so we're into the second bedroom now out of the 3, and going back into this bedroom again, I actually think this is the master bedroom. Maybe I'm mistaken because the wardrobes that was in the previous room are making it feel smaller, but this one feels a lot more spacious, obviously. Central heating again will be replaced. You can see the electrics. The electrics have literally just been fitted to the outside of the walls and cased in plastic. Ceiling will be skimmed, spotlights will be put in here. Chimney breast, guys. Now you know how I am with chimney breast. In this house, there's only 2 chimney breasts that are visible. There's this one and the one in the previous room. Now, we are having them knocked out and the builder has quoted us £1,750 for both, and that's going into the loft and capping them off as well. So that's something we are having done. Flooring will be replaced. Windows are in great condition. Bedroom 3, which is the box room, it's quite small. Again, all the doors up here will be replaced. All of the carpet will be replaced. Windows are good. All the walls, guys, in this bedroom, I think will need to be skimmed because this wallpaper that's on in here is really old. I'm not sure what the name of it is, but when you peel this off, it does peel the plaster off the wall. So I know this room will be skimmed. Again, if you look at the electrics, they've just been fitted to the outside of the wall, which is not good. But we will rectify all of these issues. So that's the upstairs I've shown you at home now. So that's the 3 bedrooms and the bathroom. Coming onto the landing, we're just going to freshly skim everything, paint it all nice and white, replace all the skirting board, put all fresh spotlights and everything in here, make it look really, really, really fresh and modern. Replace all the spindles, all the banisters, give it a really fresh, modern feel. Numbers. So now I'm going to give you guys at home a complete breakdown of the renovation costs that we have received. Remember guys, this is not a guesstimate. This is actually a quote from the builder who came here and has sent it over to us. So starting with the kitchen, £4,000. That's to replace everything in the kitchen and make it completely modern and fresh. We will have a conversation about the colours and the finish that we want, but £4,000 is the figure. Going upstairs into the bathroom, it's £2,500 to completely strip out and fit a whole new bathroom. Then we lead on to the central heating. The central heating he has quoted £3,500. Next is a rewire of the whole electrics in the entire house. Now that includes a new fuse board and all the spotlights throughout. He has quoted us £3,000 for that. Plastering. The whole of this house does need plastering. Some of the places needs taking back to brick. For this, he has quoted £2,500. Next on the list is the carpentry work that needs to be carried out. The whole house needs everything replacing. Like I said, from the doors to the skirting boards to the architrave, everything needs replacing. He's quoted £2,500 for this. Upstairs, you can see there was 2 chimney breasts in both rooms, the 2 same size rooms actually. He has quoted £1,750 to remove those. Walking around the house, one of the things that need replacing is the front door. It is in a bad condition, so we just want to put a brand new one in, make it really fresh. And also the windows are in great shape, but a couple of the panels in each windows do need replacing. He has quoted £1,250 for this. And then we come on to the final touches of the house. The whole house does need painting. He has quoted us to paint the whole of this house. That includes all of the skirting, all of the architrave, all of the doors, all of the walls, £2,000 for that. Last but not least, it's the flooring in the whole of the house. Now this is a big size house, so the kitchen will be tiles, the bathroom will be tiles, the living room will be laminated floor, the rest of the house will be carpet, and he has quoted £2,500 for this. Right, to answer everybody's questions at home that I get sent more than anything is, how much does a renovation cost? So this house is one that we have purchased. It's a 3-bedroom, mid-terraced in Wales, and it's a fairly large house, to be completely honest with you guys. You'll be able to see it from all the footage that we've done for you at home. The total cost of the renovation of this house is coming in at £26,500. Now, he has asked for a 10% contingency as well, which we are happy to give him because we might change our mind and want something changing or something not changing. But if we base it on £26,500, the total cost of this house with the purchase price, the stamp duty, the solicitor's fees, comes in at around £127,500, and the end value of this house is going to be £175,000 plus. So there you have it, guys. That is a complete breakdown of the renovations of a house that we have purchased as quoted for by a builder. You can use these numbers from the Midlands to the north, all the way to Wales, and they are literally there and thereabouts exactly what it will be. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Catch you another time.